Show us some of her award-worthy must-haves for a successful spring cleaning. Look at you, all decked out
Obviously,
for Hollywood's
I dressed
biggest
for the
night.
occasion,
Right?
Yes.
obviously.
Yes.
Well, thank you. Appreciate that.
Well, we have some awards to hand out.
We certainly do, yes. And let's start with our first category, which is a best partner to have in the shower. You give your shower a deep clean.
Okay. Glad you clarified.
Yeah.
So this is a really cool product over here, just in front of you, Jeff. If you want to pick up the hose, you can. This is called the Rinseroo. Now, the reason this is such a cool product, that stretchy part over there on top can go over a shower head fixture.
Gotcha.
So let's say you're trying to deep clean your shower, but you don't have a handheld shower head.
Yep.
You'd have to get like a bucket or a milk jug. It's very active. You would get soaking wet. The Rinseroo solves all of those problems. So indeed, it is a great partner to have in